Hi children, today let's do a new topic. What is it? Preposition. And we are going to do today on preposition. We're going to take on. We're going to look at some sentences with pictures. And I hope you'll enjoy the exercise. It's quite interesting. We are doing preposition and we are going to just take single one preposition on and we'll do whole lot of pictures and sentences. Here we are. Let's look at our first picture. Preposition on. Now, because we are doing preposition and we are taking this word on, it will be in red color. When you read, just have a look at it. Look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? A bird. Where is the bird? On. We are doing preposition on. Where is the bird? On the tree. On. Read the sentence. The bird is on the tree. Is it clear? We have a picture, we have a sentence, we are doing preposition on. Where is the bird? On the tree. Read the sentence again. The bird is on the tree. Clear? Interesting? Good. Let's take our next picture. Good. Look what we have here. We have a cup and saucer. Where is the cup? The cup is on the saucer. What do you do with the cup? You drink milk, coffee, tea. Okay, good. Where is the cup? On the saucer. It's placed on the saucer. Read the sentence. The cup is on the saucer. Preposition we are doing and we are doing on. It's in colored. The cup is on the saucer. Good. Let's take our next picture. See what we have? Like crab? Where do you find crab? By the riverside, by the seashore. Yes? Crab. And here is a stone and here is a huge colorful crab sitting on it. Where is the crab? The crab is on the stone. On the stone. Okay? Read. The crab is on the stone. This is the stone. Remember, we are learning to read sentence. We are also doing preposition on. The crab is on the stone. Let's go to our next picture. Look. Look at this. Wall clock. Where is the clock? The clock is on the wall. Where do you put the clock? On the wall. On the wall we put the clock. Why? For everyone to look at. See the time. Read the sentence. The clock is on the wall. Clear? You learn to read the sentence. We are doing preposition on. Let's take a new picture. Look at this little boy. What's he wearing? He's wearing a cap. Where is the cap? The cap is on his head. Where is the cap? The cap is on his head. Sentence beginning with the cap letter, ending with full stop, preposition on we are doing. Let's read together. The cap is on his head. Good. Let's take our next picture. Look. Here's a lovely little chair and there is a toy. Toy teddy sitting on the chair. Yes? Where is the teddy? Where is the toy teddy? The toy is on the chair. Where is it placed? On the chair. Read the sentence. The toy is on the chair. The toy is kept on the chair. On preposition on. Read the sentence. The toy is on the chair. Good. Let's go to a new picture. Look what we have here. Where do you find the ship? Yes. Where does the ship sail? On the sea. Look, where is the ship? The ship is on the sea. Huge ship. Where is it? On the sea. Read the sentence. The ship is on the sea. Good. Let's look at a new picture. What are we doing? Preposition on. And on is colored. Look. Where is the pussycat? The cat is on the mat. Where is the cat? On the mat. Here is the mat and the cat is sitting on the mat. Preposition on and it is colored. Read the sentence again. Put your finger. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Good. Let's take our next picture. Look what you have here. Where are the books? There is a table, there is a globe, and there are 2 books. Where are the books? The books are on the table. Preposition on, colored. Where are the books? The books are on the table. Read here. The books are on the table. On. Preposition on. Good. Let's take a new picture. Shall we? Good. Where is the ball? The ball is on the floor. You don't keep anywhere else. If you keep on the table, it will roll down. Where is the ball here? The ball is on the floor. Read. The ball is on the floor. Good. Let's take another picture. Are you learning the preposition on now? Yes. You are able to read the sentence? Good. Where is the vase? The vase is on the table. Where do you keep the flowers? On the table. Read the sentence. The vase is on the table. And what do you put in the vase? Flowers. Full flowers. And we keep the vase on the table to make the room look pretty. Good. Let us take our next picture. See what we have. Where is the hen? She's there standing somewhere. On the roof. Yes, that's the roof. On top of the roof she's standing. Okay. Where is the hen? The hen is on the roof. On the roof. Where is she standing? The hen is standing on the roof. What are we doing? Preposition on. Now can you read the sentence? Yes. The hen is on the roof. Good. Let's take our next picture. Where is the little ladybird? Ladybird is an insect. Where is it? It's on a lovely green leaf. Where is the insect? The insect is on the leaf. Crawling on the leaf. On. Preposition on. Put your finger and read the sentence. The insect is on the leaf. The full sentence you read. Very good. Let's take a new picture. Yes? Now here is a beautiful lizard. A garden lizard. Blue color. Okay. Where is the lizard? On the rock. There is a rock and here's the lizard sitting looking at you. We are doing preposition on. Where is the lizard? The lizard is on the rock. You're sitting on the rock. Good. Let's take our next picture. What do we have here? We have a pot, a vessel with water bubbling. Where is the vessel? The vessel is on the flame. Where to put the vessel? Put on the stove and with the flame, the water is bubbling. Where is the vessel? The vessel is on the flame. Here is the flame, red, bright red flame. Okay, now let's take a new picture. Look, what do we see here? Cake. You like cake? Yes. Where is the cake? The cake is on the table. The table is here, the cake is placed on the plate and it is there on the table. Why? We're going to cut the cake. Come everybody, come along. It's Christmas time and the cake is ready. Where is the cake? The cake is on the table. So all can come around, cut and eat. Let's take another picture. Look, what's the little girl doing? She's sliding on the sliding board. Yes, the girl is on the slide. Where is the girl? She's on the slide. The girl is on the slide. She's enjoying the slide. Ride on the slide. She's so happy. You're doing preposition on. Let's read the sentence. The girl is on the slide. Good.